Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you a recipe for hot honey. Hit it! Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for joining us. If this is your first time being with us, please do me a favor, head down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, we're going to show you a recipe for hot honey. Right now, let's go down and see what our ingredients are for it. We're going to start out with a half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, so we're just going to add the ingredients into a small saucepan because we're going to heat this up. Start with our honey, the hot sauce. You can use any kind of hot sauce you want. I just happen to have a drawer full of them, and I've got just Tabasco is what we're using, simple plain old Tabasco. I got the hot peppers in there, apple cider vinegar. Again, you can use any kind of vinegar you want, change up the profile a little bit. And then we're going to hit it with a little sauce. Let's head to the stove. You're going to set it on to a medium to medium high heat. What you want to do is you want to get this to start boiling. Very thick, so let's get that cider in there as well. Heating is just going to intensify the flavors of the chilies and help to mix everything together. So yeah, it's already getting looser now that the heat has hit it. So like I said, we want to get this to a boil, and then we want to simmer it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Got some bubbles coming on the end. It's very loose. Once it gets hot, it gets very, very loose. Try to put the flames more into the middle of the pan there, but it's not doing anything there either. We have boiling action on the outside. So I'm gonna let this go for 4 minutes. I'm gonna put it into a container and let it cool. Then we're gonna take some awesome photos of it for social media and come back and give it a taste. Stick around. Looks delicious. I am going to grab just a little bit more honey and put on this biscuit and give it a try. Very good. That heat comes in right after that sweetness. That little bit of vinegar in there gives it a little bit of a different profile. You can change up the profile with the hot sauce. You can change up the profile with the different kinds of vinegars. This would be awesome on pizza. It'd be good on chicken wings, biscuits, pancakes, waffles, whatever you want to put it on. This is really, really good. I'm going to save this up. Just remember to cool it down properly, real quick. It'll get thick again as it cools. Like you see here, it was almost like water when it came off the stove. Give it a good hour, hour and a half. Stir it up as you get in there. Put it in smaller containers if you want it to cool faster. Continue to stir. And then just cap it off, throw it in your refrigerator. Should be good for a while. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlist I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.